This is a recipe that I do so often when I am in a hurry, when I'm hungry and I need something really quick. It's very, very simple. So I'm going to first of all get some pasta on. Now you can use tagliatelle, pappardelle, really anything at all you like. So I've just got some water here from a recently boiled kettle, speed things up a little. I'm in a hurry after all. So I need to just salt this water. Normally I would just wait till it's almost at boiling point before salting, but as I'm using the kettle, we're almost there already. Okay, just give that a moment. Okay, our pasta's there. So, oh right. Oh, nice, should be just about right. Okay, so we just want to turn on the heat here and add a little oil to the pan. The shortcut here is I just snip a chicken breast directly into the pan. Saves on the washing up, no chopping board needed. Just get rid of these and give my hands a quick wash. Just give the chicken a little bit of that. Stir it out in the pan. You just really want to cook this through and brown it. Won't take very long by the time the pasta's done, the sauce and the chicken will cook. Just check on our pasta, we're a few moments away just with that. Right there. The chicken's not too far off either. So I think our chicken's there. I'm just going to check and see how we are. Perfect, perfect. So, what I want to do now is just add 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, that's 60 mils. And then I have 80 mils of double cream, we'll just add that in. And I'm going to add a little Parmesan cheese to this. I'm just going to reserve a little actually for serving on top. Just give everything a little stir together. You can actually turn the heat off now under this. So as you can see, this is such a super easy sauce. It is really great. The cheese seasons it. It adds thickness to the sauce and it's just so good. So really now I am just a couple of minutes away, I think, with pasta. Let me just check. Perfect. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the water the pasta cooked in, reserve that. And then, using a pair of tongs, I'm going to just lift the pasta directly into my pan of sauce. Now you can of course drain this if you want, but another lazy step from me. There you go. So I just reserved that bit of water. I may not need it because I didn't drain the pasta. A little bit of the water itself will go into it. Taste a little bit for just check for seasoning. Just a tiny little bit more salt, some fresh black pepper. last bit. The Parmesan I reserved earlier on. Just got a little bit of parsley here, I'll scissor over. Exactly what I needed.